Hello, my name is Jieyun Li from Lanzhou University of China. Here's my presentation is about the effectiveness for preventing abuse in the elderly. It's a systematic review and evidence gap map. What is elder abuse? It's a single or repeated act or lack of appropriate action occurring with any relationship where there is an expectation of trust, which causes harm or distress to an older person. This definition has been adopted by WHO from a definition put forward by Action on Elder Abuse in the UK. Every day, older adults suffer from abuse, neglect, and exploitation. It often comes at the hands of the people they trusted the most. As shown in this picture, 1 in 10 seniors is a victim of abuse, and the amount financial abuse alone costs older Americans annually is $2.6 billion. Effective interventions are therefore required to prevent or reduce elder abuse. However, the evidence base of these are thought to be uneven by both study design and geography. The evidence gap map will help through these problems, and will present studies of the effectiveness of intervention across the range of outcome domains. There are several types of abuse of older people from WHO and the US state laws that are generally recognized as being elder abuse. Common abusers. Family relationships, neighbors, and friends are all socially considered as relationships of trust, whether or not the older adult actually thinks of people as trustworthy. Some perpetrators may groom an older person, befriend, or build a relationship with them in order to establish a relationship of trust. Who has been abused? There are several risk factors which increase the likelihood that an elderly person will become a victim of elderly abuse. Method part. We search various active databases covering medical, health, social science, legal, finance, without restriction of search date and language. The included literature will be coded of different dimensions. The primary dimensions are interventions categories and indicator domains. The secondary dimensions such as countries, type of abuse, will be included as splitters. Results part. We have done an initial rough search from 4 databases and have obtained 3,126 papers after removing duplicates. As this study is ongoing, we couldn't give specific results right now. However, through sorting out the information from the literature that has been confirmed will be included, we presented 2 tables here. This one is interventions one. From a systematic review by Ophelia in 2018, interventions such as education and training, financial assistance for dependency cases, and the despite period for the caregiver can have significant impacts on well-being of both caregivers and care recipients. Here is our main outcomes. A typical map is a metric of intervention categories and outcome domains. Our results will eventually be represented in a bubble diagram like this figure. Everyone could hover over a cell to see the numbers of studies and the study quality. The distressing crime of elder abuse often occurs in quiet, private settings. Making a vocal public response is very important. Let us strengthen our resolve to end this problem as part of broader efforts to create a life of dignity for all. That's all. Thanks.